Tonight, new fears from the victims of Alec Murdaugh. They're worried that the convicted murderer won't spend the rest of his life in prison. WJCL 22 News' Brooke Butler speaking with one of the attorneys representing those victims. She joins us now in the studio. Monday is supposed to be the federal sentencing for his financial crimes.
Yeah, Greg, Murdaugh agreed to a plea deal in that case, but the FBI recently came out and said Murdaugh failed a polygraph they conducted. So now it wants to be, quote, relieved of its obligations in the case. Ultimately, though, a judge will have the final say. But here's the thing. Some of what's in that original plea deal has attorney Eric Bland concerned.
It's a tremendous slap in the face against the victims.
Monday, a judge is set to sentence convicted killer and disgraced attorney Alec Murdaugh in his federal financial crimes case. Murdaugh was already sentenced to 27 years, which he must serve at least 23 years of in his state financial crimes case. You may remember Murdaugh took a plea deal in both cases, but his plea deal in the federal case would allow his sentences to run concurrently, meaning at the same time.
To just let him go concurrently is really unfair, I think, to the victims.
It's important to note prosecutors say roughly $6 million that Murdaugh stole from his victims is still unaccounted for. The FBI says it has suspicions there may be another attorney who helped Murdaugh with his financial schemes. That's why they conducted a polygraph back in October. Prosecutors revealed this week Murdaugh failed that test. Now, prosecutors want to revoke their end of the plea deal, but ultimately it will be up to the judge.
The whole issue of the polygraph is going to be interesting because it is not admissible in a court of law as a reliable source of someone telling the truth.
If the judge keeps the plea deal in place as it is, and Murdaugh is able to overturn his double murder conviction and serve his financial crime sentences concurrently, attorney Eric Bland fears it could mean Murdaugh will not spend the rest of his life in prison.
What if in 3 years in the sentence that Alex Murdaugh says, you know what, I'm going to cooperate now. I'm going to give up lawyers. I'm going to give up judges. I'm going to give up politicians. I'm going to give up businessmen. And the government negotiates and says, okay, if you do all that, you can get out in 5 or 7 years.
Of course, a lot of ifs here. At the end of the day, Bland hopes Murdaugh's sentences will run consecutively, meaning one after the other rather than concurrently. Greg, back to you.
Okay, Brooke Butler, thank you so very much. Now, if the judge rejects the plea deal, Murdaugh will likely have to go to trial.